My chairman, I don't understand though. I know, I'm confused.
That is the will of God, Cha. It's the will of God. Yeah, it's the will of God.
So according to God, in a year, how many times rains for fall?
Well, but so that one, I don't know that one, no. Rain fall constantly.
What?
Rain fall constantly.
Like rainfall
constantly.
Consistently or what?
Constantly.
The English we speak.
We want to know what they make the rain they fall.
What they make the planet? The planet. The planet. If they hear me. You know they hear me.
No, you say what?
Suppose you hear me quite.
They what?
Correct. You hear me correct.
No, I say what they make the rain they fall.
It be rain they fall.
Like I don't say rain falls, but what makes it fall is rain.
You.
Like this, it be once.
Yo.
So two be what?
Twice now.
So three.
Thrice.
So four.
Fourth.
What do you mean?
So if somebody do say, I say once. If you do so, I say twice. So three will be what?
3 go before now.
Is it?
3 go before.
What do you mean?
I didn't get you. Please come again.
I said once, twice. 3 will be what?
Twice. 3 go be 3 now.
3 will be 3.
Yeah.
So 1 is 1, 2 is double, 3 is triple, 4 will be what?
4 will be 5.
Why?
What they make?
So if somebody do so, I say once or 1. You do so, I say double, triple. So 4 will be what?
4. I don't know. No idea.
1, once. This be twice. This be twice. So 3 will be what?
Thrice.
Where 4?
4 triple.
Is it?
4 triple now.
Twice, thrice. 4 will be what?
4 be. Now 4 wise.
Is it?
4 wise. They call them 4 wise.
4 wise.
Yeah.
For the 4 be funnet. Funnet.
I know they yell.
Funnet.
I beg you, if I do so, it be once.
Yes.
If I do so, it be twice.
Yes.
If I do 3, it be what?
3 wise.
Where 4?
4 wise.
Where 5?
5 wise.
Where 6?
6 wise also.
Where 7?
7 wise the same.
Why?